Hi everyone, this is our latest offering. This is a Scania Interlink 2017 Euro 6 PSVAR 53 seat exec, 12.8 meters long, 2 axle. So it's got a lot going for it. It's a 12.8 meter 53 exec PSVAR Scania Euro 6. It's just had a full respray in the summer. It's been on a few jobs for our sister company, Theo Jones. Got a rear continental door and rear toilet, which means you've got massive luggage space if you're doing stuff like cruise transfers or carrying a band or something. And it's extremely versatile because obviously you can do just about anything: rail replacement, touring, transfers. Very useful vehicle. And because it's all done with a new paint job, it can basically go straight into work. It was factory fitted with a wheelchair lift from new. It's a PLS lift in here, which is fully working and will come with a new Lola test. As we go inside, it's got a really nice sort of Grand Prix like interior. This sort of black and red, it's more like a dark grey actually, half leather seating with 3-point belts, 547,000 Ks, no faults, really clean vehicle. There's the wheelchair door, and these are on the removable tracking. As we go down to the back, it's in really good nick. Seat back tables, magazine nets, USBs to all seats and footrests. So very nice spec vehicle. Here we go, monitor there. 53 seated or 47 and 1 wheelchair. So just to recap, 2017 Scania Interlink 53 seat exec, 12.8 meter Euro 6 PSVAR, MOT'd May 2025, registered March 2017. Thank you.